In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and change your password in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward and simple, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can secure your account with ease. First, you'll want to start by locating your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the Microsoft Teams interface. Click on the icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to various settings, including your Microsoft account management. From the drop-down, click on the option labeled My Microsoft Account. Doing this will seamlessly direct you to the Microsoft Account Settings page, which is where we will make the necessary changes. Once you're on your Microsoft Account page, look for the Security tab. This tab is pivotal as it holds the key to altering your current password. Go ahead and click on Security. At this stage, you will find a Change Password option awaiting your selection. Click on it, and this will take you to the Change Your Password screen. This screen is integral to updating your information and is designed with user-friendliness in mind to guide you smoothly through the process. Now that you're on the Change Password screen, it's time to choose a new password. You'll see input fields where you can type your new password. When selecting your password, ensure it's something that is strong yet memorable. I recommend incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to heighten security. After typing your new password in the provided field, you'll be prompted to re-enter it in a second field just below. This step is crucial as it confirms that there are no mistakes in your input and that the new password is exactly what you intended. Once your new password is entered twice for confirmation, it's time for the final step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the screen, and press it. This action will update your password across your Microsoft account, which includes Microsoft Teams. And with that, you've successfully reset and changed your password. And there you have it. That's how to reset and change your password in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.